In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate make.com with Notion. Welcome, and thanks for joining me. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the full process of connecting these two powerful tools so they can work together seamlessly. This integration is especially useful if you want to automate repetitive tasks, keep your data in sync, and build more efficient workflows without manually updating everything yourself. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the make.com website. Once you are there, locate the login option and sign into your account. We will assume you are already logged in, but if not, simply complete the login process to access your dashboard. After logging in, you should land on the main dashboard, where all your scenarios and automation tools are managed. From the dashboard, look for the option to create a new scenario and click on it. This will open the scenario editor, which serves as a blank canvas where you can design your automation. In the center of the canvas, you will see a plus icon. Click this icon to add a new module to your workflow. A search bar will appear, allowing you to search for the app you want to connect. In the search bar, type Notion and select it from the list of available apps. This action adds the Notion module to your scenario. Once the module is in place, you will be asked to choose an action. Select the action that matches what you want to automate, such as creating a new page or retrieving information from a database. The specific action you choose should reflect the task you want. Make.com to perform inside Notion. After selecting an action, you will be prompted to set up a connection. Click the option to create a new connection. This step links your Notion account to make.com so the automation can access your workspace. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection process. If you are prompted to authorize access, make sure you approve it so the integration can function correctly. Once the connection is established, return to the scenario editor and review your setup. Take a moment to ensure everything looks correct and aligns with your intended workflow. When you're ready, click the Save button to store your scenario. Saving confirms that all settings and connections are properly applied. And that is it. You have successfully integrated make.com with Notion. With this setup in place, you can start building powerful automations that help you stay organized, save time, and keep your productivity systems running smoothly across platforms. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.